Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings, no extra steps. Tap Account, then Privacy so you can reach the screen lock controls. Once there, find the screen lock or fingerprint authentication option. This is where WhatsApp links the biometric to app access. Make sure your phone is unlocked so settings respond. You're preparing to disable the fingerprint, not the phone biometrics, so stay in the app's privacy area and keep your device unlocked for the next step. Now disable the fingerprint lock directly. Tap the fingerprint or Touch ID setting so the control panel opens. Flip the toggle off. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm, use the registered fingerprint or enter your PIN. This is a security measure, so take that extra second to authenticate. Once confirmed, WhatsApp will show the lock as off. Make sure to back out to the main app and reopen a chat to confirm you aren't asked for a fingerprint anymore before moving to final cleanup. Finish by reopening WhatsApp and confirming the fingerprint prompt no longer appears when entering the app. If you still see it, restart your phone. A reboot often clears lingering biometric sessions. Make sure WhatsApp and your system's biometric service are updated. If problems persist, go back to Privacy and toggle screen lock on then off again, or remove the fingerprint from your phone system settings and re-add it later. Troubleshooting tip: a quick restart usually resolves stuck biometric states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.